Namaste, this is Geny Caloisi, and this is part 2 of the kombucha making process. So I did my tea. As you can see, it's a little bit darker than before. I put 2 tea bags, decaffeinated tea bags, and that's it. They have done their job. I put the sugar and dissolve it, and I put a little bit of cold water so that it doesn't burn my SCOBY. With clean hands, the best way to test the temperature of any liquid is not just to touch from the outside, but also to stir a finger into the liquid. If you just put the finger down, the temperature is different than if you stir it. When you stir it, the movement of your finger will allow you to feel the real temperature. So this is still warm, but it's not hot for sure. So I have my kombucha jar with my kombucha SCOBY, and this amount of water is about 2 liters. It has 7 big spoons of sugar, 7 of this. And I just pour it through. And the main thing is, when do you know it's done? How long do you keep it for? It is recommended that you cover the mouth of the jar while you're doing your kombucha with either a cloth or a piece of paper with elastic band in case there is expansion. How do you know when it's ready? How long do you leave it for? Well, as you can see, the color is quite dark right now. After a while, the SCOBY will float upwards towards the surface, and the color of the kombucha will change into a more yellow amber type of color. This one is the one that I showed on my previous video, and it has been maturing for far too long. So I bottle it like this, and I will use it as vinegar. I will use it for lifting some sauces and for cooking or even cleaning. Not for drinking, it's too strong. So this one, within 1 week, it will be ready to try. So you can try a little bit, see if you like it. The longer you will keep it in the jar, the less sweet it will be. When it's earlier, the kombucha will be sweeter. And you can put it in a bottle like this, and then you can put ginger or fruit or other stuff to give the kombucha a different flavor. Try it out. Let me know how it's going for you, whether you like it or not. And if you have any questions, please DM me or contact me. My website is cheyoga.co.uk. That's CHE, like Che Guevara, cheyoga.co.uk. It's the yoga revolution. And in there, you can find all of my details. I hope to see you online, on the mat, or wherever else we can meet. Namaste.